Hi viewers, welcome to MKK The Daily Pulse, one destination for updates around the world. Yesterday, cricket fans witnessed an epic showdown in Sharjah, Dubai, as India faced Australia in the Women's T20 World Cup 2024. The match was a roller coaster of emotions, filled with breathtaking moments and stellar performances. First up, let's talk about Harmanpreet Kaur. What a captain's knock! She led from the front, scoring a blazing 75 runs off just 51 balls. Her powerful hitting and strategic play kept India in the game, making it a thrilling contest. And then there was Geeta Singh. The all-rounder showcased her versatility, contributing both with the bat and the ball. She scored a quick-fire 45 runs and took 3 crucial wickets, putting pressure on the Aussies. Her performance was nothing short of spectacular. In the end, however, Australia managed to clinch the victory by 6 wickets. The Aussies chased down the target of 160 runs in 19.2 overs, thanks to a solid partnership between Meg Lanning and Ellyse Perry. Let's break down some key statistics from the match. India's total 159 sixths in 20 overs. Australia's response, 160 quarters in 19.2 overs. Harmanpreet Kaur's 75, Geeta Singh's 45, and that stunning bowling spell. On the Australian side, Meg Lanning scored an unbeaten 68, while Ellyse Perry contributed 54 runs. Despite the loss, India's journey in the Women's T20 World Cup isn't over yet. They still have a chance to reach the semifinals with a win in their next match. Keep your hopes high and support the team. Thank you for watching. See you next time with new updates. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hasta la vista, namaste.